This is Tom's 442. Hey Tom, Tommy boy, Tommy boy, Tom Foster, Tommy boy Foster. Hey,
hello, sir. I brought out the blue one today.
Yeah, what is this?
This is a 1965 442 Oldsmobile.
Yeah?
Yep, it's got a 455 in it, 400 turbo, 400 3-speed.
Right, now tell everybody why they call it a 442.
Positive traction rear, 373 rear. Why does it call it a 442?
For my mom who doesn't know why it's called a 442.
It's a 4-speed, 4-barrel dual exhaust.
There you go, thank you.
It's all about the options.
You're shutting the hood, are you leaving?
Yeah, I'm shutting it. You want to see it without the motor, you know, it's up to you.
Ah, that's cool, it's nice. No, it looks good. So, how long you had it, Tom?
About 10 years now.
Really?
1965.
That's cool. Tom's got a bunch of them. As you know, if you watch my videos, Tom has a bunch of these cars. He has a plethora of them. Oh, look at the lighting. Oh, that's cool.
The lights had a little touch to it.
Yeah. Good morning, how are you?
Sir, how are you?
Good. What are you driving this morning?
68, 6, Volkswagen, dune buggy.
Wow, that's pretty cool. 66?
Yep.
That is awesome. I love it. Hey man, good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Good. What am I looking at?
68 Corvair.
68 Corvette. Thank you. Well, he didn't want to come down that way.
What's wrong with 800?
Let's see which way he goes. Oh, he comes right there. We go on the other side of him. Air Force veteran. It's got air conditioning. I think that car's for sale too. Where's he going? There he is. He's getting away from me too fast. I'm not running after him. Especially when we got a couple Chevelles coming in here. Check that out. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Right here. Right there, brother. Right there, brother. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. Come on this way.
That's a NASCAR.
12.5's 109.8. Weighs 4,000 pounds. Not bad back in the day.
Oh, it's not.
Hey, what year Chevrolet is that?
84.
That's what an 84 Chevrolet looks like right there. What year Chevrolet is that?
91.
That's what a 91 Chevrolet looks like. There you go. Hey, look who it is. It's Andy. Hey, Andy, how you doing, buddy?
All right, drive-by cars in Allen.
I was just
Everybody
gonna
watching.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask you, what are you gonna do today when you go home?
We're gonna watch drive-by cars in Allen.
Just like everybody else should be doing, right? Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. What year is that Catalina?
1970.
1970. Was it an actual police car at one
No,
time?
I made a copy.
You made it one.
Yeah.
But still, that's pretty cool. You got the red light going on and everything. See you, buddy. Thank you. A tribute to the fine Clarkstown Police Department out of Rockland County, New York. Hey, what are you driving?
Subaru Brat.
What year is it?
84.
An 84. Why did you get an 84 Subaru Brat?
Nobody else has one.
Because nobody else had one. I'll let you go. There's cars behind you. That's cool. Tara Burner, Nat. There you go. She's a home inspector, I believe, isn't she? Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. All right, so whenever you're ready to go over there, Al, what's your name?
Oh, hi, I'm Tara.
Tara? Oh,
Hi, Chris. Hi, Chris.
is that your little,
Brat.
Tom, what do you got me into, buddy?
what is it? A 50 Mercury?
1950 Mercury.
Hey, you got a
Good to meet
1950 Mercury for
Yes,
sale
sir.
and you
Yes,
want
sir.
to sell it. Let's go look at it. Come show it to me. There it is.
Hey, what's going on?
How are you, sir? We're going to go look at this Mercury that's for sale right here.
Oh, yeah, he's looking at it.
Yeah, this is the owner right here. He's going to show it to me.
I'm the messenger.
The messenger?
Yeah, I'm
The
somebody else
salesman?
owned it.
Wow, look at the scrolling on it. That's nice. What year is it?
1950.
A 1950 Mercury. It's got the skirts on it. Those are skirts, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just gonna pop the trunk, take a look inside the trunk. Wow, look at that. That is clean now. Nice. Nice, nice. What is the interior like on it? Quick look at the interior. Thank you,
Nice
sir.
looking
There we go.
Kitchen,
Oh, look. That's nice, man.
air conditioning.
AC works. Yeah, I saw you coming in and it was, you look nice and cool while you're in there. Nice.
Gotta
What
have
about
it.
the motor?
Motor, we got a reliable Chevrolet 350.
Oh, so it has a 350 in it. Well, there you go. A 1950 Merc with a 350 AC works in it. Nice. How much you want for it?
32.5.
$32.5. And how did they get a hold of you?
My cell phone,
Uh-huh.
386-868-7470.
And ask for who?
Alex,
Alex. There you go. Thank you, Alex.
thank you.
Appreciate
Open
it.
to offers.
Open to offers. There you go. Thank you very much. Side places we got here in the strip is Hemp Hub, and what Hemp Hub is they are a sponsor for the car show over here at the Cars and Coffee at Wawa in New Smyrna Beach, and I just so happened to run into the owner out here. Hey man, what's your name?
Grant.
Grant. I'm Alan. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, tell me about the Hemp Hub. What is the Hemp Hub?
It's a THC, CBD
Right.
store.
Right, do you have to have a medical marijuana card?
Nope, no medical card required.
Right, and
We got
you're
lots of fun stuff.
right, and you're sponsoring the car show for us, huh?
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. Well, I'm gonna put this in the video, and if you need any kind of hemp products, come on down here. What do you got in there?
Got THC, flour, gummies,
Right.
oils,
Rolling
creams.
papers? Do you
Yep.
have pipes, things like that?
Some. We got some.
Some, yeah. I have my medical marijuana card, so I'm always looking for a place to come and get stuff. So,
Yeah.
thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
You're
We'll
welcome.
put this into the video.
All right.
Drive-by cars with Alan. I'm getting ready to go home, guys. So it's getting a little warm out here. I appreciate the cars that have come out. Thanks for watching. Drive-by cars with Alan. Be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you. See you guys.